Hello, welcome to today's video, and as expected, we are doing Political Machine 2020. Sorry, you have to see the screen recorder tab. This site just does it that way, and for Windows, I can't find any free recording site that's that good. A cheap recording site would also be fine, so if you have any recommendations for that, please leave that in the comment below. That would actually really be helpful. As I said, that would be really helpful if you leave any recording suggestions you have in the comments below. Also, uh, I'd like to say that I will be recording less video due to personal things for the next 6 weeks. That's pretty much it. So please recommend in the comments who I should do next. A free screen recorder if you know any. This would all be greatly appreciated. So wait, AI versus AI. Let's simulate. Let's see. Karl Marx. Should we do Karl Marx? Let's do Malcolm X versus Martin Luther King Jr. Of course, why not? He is a new Republican. Actually, nah. Should we do Osama bin Laden? No. Why is he a Republican? That's just weird. Michelle Obama. Oh my god, the stats are overpowered. Queen Elizabeth we have here. I'm gonna randomize it. No, that's not a good random. Great, we did Dwight Eisenhower, the establishment Democrat. Not a good idea. Oh, should we do Eugene Debs? Nah. Let's do Tony Blair versus Boris Johnson. Nah. Let's do Tony Blair. Oh my god, I have a great idea. You will not even believe the idea I have. Alexander Hamilton versus Osama bin Laden just wants to keep making surprise appearances. Where is that? We have Charlie Baker here. Charlie Baker. George H.W. Bush. Where is he? James Madison. Sure, let's do Hamilton versus James Madison. In the 2020 election, who would win? So right now, Madison leading in Arizona. That's pretty good for him. And Hamilton is leading in Michigan. That's good. Florida is a pure toss-up. Florida just likes to do that all the time. Just keeps doing toss-ups. 43 to 45. Republicans are not doing so bad in the popular vote. Oh, Madison is in the lead in Georgia, Virginia, and Ohio. That's pretty pog. Well, pog for him. Who would I support? This is actually tough. I really like Madison, but I also at the same time really like Hamilton. You know what? I'm going to support Hamilton. Madison, you've had your chance. You've already been president. Let's give Hamilton a presidency. Hamilton presidency would be based. Hamilton presidency based. I mean, Madison, your presidency was based too, but we should give him a chance as well. Madison endorses Give Me Liberty. Why not? Okay, I'm giving you liberty. You happy now? Yeah, you better silence yourself now. He's leading in Georgia. What is this newspaper? I support funding NASA. You don't even know what NASA is, and he's saying he supports it. What kind of man are you? What kind of man? Oh, Madison says strong state governments. That's pretty realistic. Minnesota and Michigan. They're using so many HQs. Hamilton says stronger federal government. Okay. Hamilton supports stopping the coronavirus. You don't know what that is either. You just keep saying things you don't even know. I support fossil fuel industry, says James Madison. You don't know what that is either. You guys better just stop saying things. I support election integrity. Okay, you support election integrity. Hamilton is behind 3% in the popular vote. Oh, Florida is safe for him. Madison endorses freedom to worship. That sounds pog. Everyone likes that. Everyone likes religious freedom. That's not really a major issue, though, Madison. Hamilton says endorses term limits. Okay, that's interesting. Madison says agrarianism. Okay, Madison, I'm gonna have to disagree with you on that. I don't think agrarian. Madison supports investigating Hunter Biden. Bruh, do you even know who that is? Madison supports fracking. Oh, VP's just pick. Cannabis legalization and United North America. That's pog. I like the idea of United North America. Actually, I don't really like that. Madison chose Ronald Reagan, and Hamilton chose Yang. They don't even know who these people are. Hamilton says banning problematic speech, and Madison says investigating. Okay, I highly doubt Hamilton ever supported that, and I find it extremely disgraceful that he put it. Hamilton was a very smart man. He never supported that. He was actually a big proponent on free speech. So no, that's absolutely stupid they put that here. That's okay. That is a disgrace to Hamilton's legacy. The Republicans are actually leading in the popular vote. Oh, and he's absolutely crushing Hamilton in the electoral vote, I was about to say. I support fracking. We know Madison. We know. I support fossil. Madison opposes better private insurance. And Madison supports abortion rights. He probably would support that. That's realistic. I like realism. What is this ad? I support farm subsidies. Okay, good for you. I don't think he would have supported that in real life. I support filling Supreme Court vacancies, says Hamilton. Like the whole Rust Belt is going red except for Pennsylvania. When did Minnesota become safe red and Pennsylvania top? Madison says matrimonial traditions. Spin doctor in Florida has license revoked. Oops, revoking. Hamilton supports funding NASA. Of course you do. You don't know what it means. Hamilton supports stopping the coronavirus. Good for Hamilton. Why did you guys put HQs in Alaska? What? This confuses me. Okay, I'm predicting it that Madison is absolutely going to destroy Hamilton in this election. He can't do anything at this point. Okay, here we go. I thought Hamilton was going to carry New Hampshire. He carried New Jersey, and Virginia. Wait, no, I'm mixing up Madison and Hamilton. So right now, Madison is leading. Hamilton got the traditional blue states except for New Jersey. And Hamilton somehow won Arkansas. Madison wins Texas. Madison wins Colorado, New Mexico. He wins Arizona. But Hamilton carries Nevada. Oregon goes red. This is actually 219 to 319. Hamilton and Yang just be like, nay, 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 nay. Stopping the coronavirus. Let's go. And Hamilton is better in that. Filling Supreme Court. Okay, pause the video if you want to see how is Madison better in Black Lives Matter. Well, actually, I don't know. I think that would be tight. These guys don't even know what Black Lives Matter is. They don't know what this movement is. Madison wouldn't support the stimulus package at all. Not sure about Hamilton. Why is Hamilton doing better in smaller government? That's court packing. Madison is doing better in. Wait, Hamilton would oppose. No, Madison would oppose court packing.